Hello, I'm Julian and I'm, and I'm here to tell you about how to get on 211's website. 211 is a website for people with disabilities who are looking for housing. Just to find it, just type in the following: www.montana211.org and hit the search icon. When you click on it, you'll find all kinds of helpful and neat categories for all situations, but most tailored to fit individuals such as you. As a person with a disability, I may struggle to find safe, affordable, and accessible and integrated housing. Sometimes I face discrimination, long waiting lists, or expensive places outside of my price range. Thankfully, there's a way I can find housing options on my own using the 211 website. 211 is the ultimate reference for finding houses in normal or emergency situations. It is a helpful site that refers me to safe organizations that can help me meet my needs. You'll notice several menu categories. All organizations recommended on the 211 website go through a review process that shows that they're all safe and legitimate. I'm looking for housing, so I want to select the top middle icon that says Housing and Shelter. Now I have to ask myself, what type of housing am I looking for? Is this for everyday life or an emergency situation? If saving money is my top priority, then I need to select the first category, affordable housing. But if I am in a scary situation, like escaping a flood, fire, or a dangerous person who lives with me, then I would need to select the second category, emergency shelter. Now, maybe I just want to enhance my current home by making it more accessible and safe. The third category, home improvement and accessibility, gives me options to help me improve my home. Perhaps I'm facing a long waiting list or several landlords that appear to be discriminating against me because I'm a person with a disability. If I feel like I'm being treated unfairly in that way, this Housing Discrimination Assistance category can refer to me to an organization that can help advise me. If I need help finding affordable housing and I am focused on saving money, then Housing Expense Assistance will give me a long list of loaning services that can help me pay in installments or qualify for financial assistance programs. When you see the category low income, elderly, disabled housing there, you can ask, why is there both on affordable housing and low income housing? Aren't they the same thing? Yes, many of these categories do sound similar, and some of them may even feature some of the same organizations. The overlap exists so that there are plenty of ways to find exactly what you need, no matter how it's worded. This category here, subsidized housing, includes low income and government sponsored housing. Supportive housing means that people with a disability have a priority in this complex apartment complexes. Transitional housing refers to people who need housing after an intense event like childbirth, abuse, or rape. Transitional means short and temporary. So, this is not for people looking for long-term housing. The last category in our drop-down menu applies to people who already have a home and just need to set up energy, water, and internet. Utility assistance refers you to companies that will set your home utilities so that all your basic needs in your current home are met. Thanks for watching the 211 video. If you have any more questions, please call our number or leave a comment below. It'll tell us how we helped you or how we didn't help you, and you can tell us how we can fix it to better suit to people like you. Once again, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice rest of your day.